Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a funny video about my cat chasing his favorite toy mouse. Just wait 1 sec, I need to go get it. Okay, I am ready for the filming. Go get it, go get it, go get it, hold on. But I will be making evil stuff with it, so you just wait, this video will be pure evil. Go, go, go. Oh! Oh! Oh, you little cat. Oh. Okay. This is his little mouse. Let's do a video show. This time I'm going to do it mad. Oh! He actually went under. I did not know. He would went. There's his mouse over there. By that little Barbie house. I got one of like 2. But I don't really like Barbies that much anymore. Oh, I can't get it. Toby. Okay, Toby was biting or nipping for like 1 sec. Why didn't he go get his mouse? Okay. He's gonna come up. Why are you not getting... Well, I don't think he wants to do anymore. So bye.